Another thing to do when you're in a confined space and you want to give the illusion that the fields, the roads, things like that are much bigger. I have a repurposed building from another layout that I'm going to use on this layout, and you'll notice that it's way up here in the corner and that the actual scale almost falls off of the layout to the right as you're looking at it. Well, that's to give the impression that the road coming off of the scale would actually arc out and then back around for the semis. So this gives me the illusion that there's more going on than there actually is. Then with my grain elevator over here in the top left, I have 3 elevators which will actually, most commonly you'd have pairs of these however wide the elevator would be. For example, this would be typical. Well, in order to conserve space, the storyline will be that the elevator actually goes off of the layout, giving the idea that it's bigger than it is. But it isn't. It's just a conservative look. And then there would be a road for the trucks to dump grain that will also go off of the layout to the left. So that's the basic idea or the premise when you're trying to conserve space. Make your layout look bigger than it really is, and then be able to justify having the kind of equipment and scene that you're going for.